Welcome to this tutorial on Birdview's invoicing. In this video, we'll show you how to create, customize, and manage invoices based on your billing model, time and materials, fixed fees, or a hybrid one, directly within the Birdview platform. Let's start with a time and materials project. Here we have a business consulting project where billing is based on logged hours and expenses. To choose your project's billing model, navigate to the Project Details menu and select Financials. In the Targets tab, choose the billing type. In this case, we select time and materials based on rate cards. You can also set the project's currency, which will be used in future invoices. Before creating your first invoice, make sure the project is assigned to a specific customer. Once hours and expenses are logged, you're ready to invoice the project. Accessing the invoicing feature is simple. Click on the Invoices tab on the left side of your dashboard. To create a new invoice, click Add Invoice in the upper left corner, then select the customer and project you want to invoice. Now it's time to add the relevant time logs and expenses. Note that only unbilled time logs and expenses can be invoiced. Click Add Time Entries, select the ones you want to include, and the system will apply rates based on the selected rate card and the user's role in the project. By default, time entries are grouped by job role, but you can adjust the grouping based on your customer's preference. Next, click Add Expenses to include any project-related costs. Once all billable items are added, you can customize the invoice. Rename line item titles if needed, adjust quantities or amounts in the quantity column, and apply taxes by selecting a tax rate. The system will automatically calculate it for you. You can also add discounts, either as a percentage or a fixed amount, and include custom line items by clicking Add Line Item and entering the details. Now it's time to finalize the invoice. Preview it to see the company logo, address, invoice number, customer details, terms, line items, and any applied taxes or discounts. If everything looks good, you can download the invoice as a PDF or send it directly to the client. For the second option, enter the recipient's email, edit the default message if needed, and click Send. You can also copy the invoice link and share it with your customer. Now let's look at a fixed fee project. In this example, we have a milestone-based project for marketing services. For this project, we selected flat fee as the billing type. The fee amounts are set in the Activity Center under the flat fee column. To create an invoice, navigate to Invoices, click Add Invoice, and select the customer and project. Unlike time and materials projects, click Add Flat Fee Activities and select the activities you want to invoice. You can customize the invoice just like we did for the time and materials project. Once finalized, you can save it, download it as a PDF, or send it directly to your customer. For a hybrid invoicing model, simply combine time logs, expenses, and milestone-based payments when creating your invoice. Once an invoice is sent or paid, you can update its status from the Invoices dashboard. Here you can also sort invoices and filter them by status, date, customer, or project. On the right side of the screen, you'll find the Settings button. Here you can enter your company details, upload an invoice footer image, and set tax rates. If you need to create a new tax rate, click Add Tax Rate, define the percentage, and add a description. That's a quick overview of how to create and manage invoices in Birdview. If you have any suggestions or feedback, visit us at birdviewpsa.com. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on maximizing Birdview.